Rejuvenate, restore, release. Rejuvenate, restore, release. Rejuvenate your mind, your soul, your heart, your peace. Release all the negativity. Release all negativity. Restore your mind, restore your heart, restore your thoughts so you can have peace. Rejuvenate, release, and restore. All right. Thanks for stopping in for tea time. So guys, I wanted to just talk about restoring, reflecting, renew. Remember when we were children, how we played, how we had fun, how we did things, we didn't have any worries, we didn't have no struggles. Sometimes you might have to go back and restore your mind back to when you were a child, so you can laugh more, have more fun, have more peace, and have more joy. I mean, even as a grown person, I do have peace. I can't say that because I make myself have peace. But for all you who do struggle in this area, try to revert back to when you were a child. You didn't have any worries. You didn't think about bills, work, school, kids, and all this stuff. So I think it would be a good thing that when those things start coming up in your mind, rekindling, things in your mind about, oh wow, all these things, go back to when you were a child and how you had peace, love, and joy, how you played, how you giggled, how you smiled, how you tickled your friends, and things like that. It just brings out the child in you. Now, I'm not saying act like a child, by no means. Don't act like no child. No grown person shouldn't be acting like no child, like not taking care of your business. That's not what I'm saying. But sometimes we have to go back and revisit when we were a child. Laugh about some things. Just do some things that are like childish to the soul, but not really childish, if you get what I'm saying. Yeah, and I think we'll be all right. Just try to rekindle, restore some of those things. Try to restore some of those good times when you were a child so you could be all right, so you can have a little bit more fun. Okay? All right, y'all. And rejuvenate your mind. That will rejuvenate your mind, rejuvenate your soul. So a little laugh, little laughter, childlike laughter, childlike fun. Okay. Good morning, lovely people. So I'm starting my day off at Walmart right now. I'm actually here for oil change, but I'm looking for hangers, if they have wood hangers, and I currently don't see any. Y'all, why does it seem like nobody has bigger, like, eco-friendly type, eco-friendly hangers, rather? All they have is like the felt ones and plastic. All the ones that are cheap and not eco-friendly are the ones that they have. So I look all over here. I see nothing over there. So I can't, while my car is getting an oil change, because that's why I'm here. Mark was going to do it, but I said, you know what? I'm going to let him rest. I'll come here and get it done, and I can come get other things. I need to get spray paint, and I need to get, I'm looking for some fabric. So yeah, that's how I'm starting off my morning early. So guys, I'll see you all in a little while I continue to just look around. And yeah, I'll see you guys a little later. Okay? Y'all, now look. There's my vacuum. The Tentacle, $99 at Walmart. She did not pay that. But yeah, I'm going to be getting out of here. I'm going to go wait on my truck because they should be done in a little while. But I got my spray paints. We had to finish off the sink, and I got fabric for another little project. So I'll probably see you guys later. I don't see, I don't see anything else that I need. I don't see anything else that I need, and I'm not gonna just be buying stuff, y'all. Okay, so I'll see you guys later when I get home. Oh, look at these. I said I wasn't gonna get nothing, but I don't know if these are 43 or those are 43, but I like these. I really like these for the backyard, and it will hold the chair. I mean, the pillows really, really good. So I don't know, y'all. I'm gonna see. I don't know. I'm gonna decide. No, I think she's right there. I'm just looking. Yeah, guys. Oh my gosh. Look at these. I think I'm gonna get them. I love the fact that they have like this. If y'all can see that right there, where it says Homes and Garden. I mean, $43 is a little bit much to me, but I don't know. We'll see what she decides, but I really like them, and it saves me a trip of going to the bins and going to other stores. I just don't feel like keep on hunting, but 2 chairs right here where I'm at. We'll see, y'all. So now I'm gonna have Mark. He can get like, oh wait a minute, hold on. I think I see something. I see like I think it's like a canopy or something. Oh yeah. For $84, they have a canopy here. Instant canopy. I don't know. Y'all, she need to go. She needs to go. So I'll see you guys really when I get home. Loving these, loving them. These are what I need. These tiki torch, these here. I need these to put inside the things that we have because they're all burnt out. They got a lot of nice stuff here, y'all. I'm not even a Walmart person, but some of the stuff is like really, really nice. Let me just show y'all some more. Like these here are beautiful. All that, the bamboos looking stuff. Let me see, they got little deck lights. These are $2.50, and these are step lights. Really, really nice. Really nice. All right, guys, time to go. Y'all,
you're gonna have to cut that part out, Dan.
Yeah, I got the chairs. So I got 20% off. So I got one for $43, the original price, and then I got the other one for $30. So $7? Yeah, $77 for the 2 chairs. So I will show you guys later what they look like. And yeah, gotta try to be funny about the chairs, y'all. He ain't really want to give me no discount. Y'all know how they be doing us. Y'all already know. But the oil change, $101 for the oil change and the 2 chairs. So I think I did good. I will see you guys later, but turn the camera around. Let me show y'all who came up here to see me. Y'all, she follow me everywhere. She be
I do
following
not follow
me.
you everywhere.
No, she getting her oil change too, which is a good thing.
Yeah, because I need it. I think I'm like 100 miles over what they said it was. Almost.
Yeah. So, y'all, we will see y'all later. Later. Bye-bye. Hey y'all, happy Monday! Bring it in. Mwah. So guys, I'm back home from Walmart, and I'm just gonna get into this video because I don't want it to be long, because after this clip, that's gonna be the end of it. So I'm gonna show y'all really quick what I picked up from Walmart, okay? So let me sit you guys down somewhere, and then we'll get into this little bitty haul. Not much at all. So, if you guys can see me, I picked up the white paint. This is for the sink in the kitchen. This is the paint and the primer, high gloss. And this is the flat paint. I'm gonna show you guys what I'm gonna use this for. I'm gonna bring this in the kitchen. I got 100% cotton, 1 yard of fabric, Waverly fabric, because I'm going to be making me a pillow, if I can, with probably 2 pillows with that. And then I picked up these tiki torch wicks because we need them in those little things that I told you I'm putting in the little rock garden scape. So yeah, I got all of this stuff. That's it from Walmart, guys. And let's just get into what we're gonna be doing today real quick. So the black spray paint, I'm gonna show you what I'm gonna use that for. The black spray paint will be used for this. Do you guys see where this is silver? I don't want it silver anymore. I'm gonna spray paint this black matte, and it's gonna be gorgeous, guys, when it's done. And in another video, I will show y'all. So guys, here is the sink. So in the picture I showed you yesterday, it probably was like stuff on it because I didn't tape it off, and Mark is gone. So I'm gonna use tape here to tape it off. He has the blue painter's tape in the truck, and I didn't think about getting it out of the truck this morning before he left. But yeah, I love this, guys. It is absolutely beautiful. Let me show y'all. Hold on. I don't want this video too long. So it has the sprayer here. I can't do it because the sink, I have to go over the sink with this. This is going to work, and it's going to be absolutely beautiful, guys. So y'all remember I did sand it, and then he sanded some too. So we did sand it. This here is one of those things that go down in here. So I will be using this spray paint, the black matte, also for this to put in the drain. So I don't know if I showed y'all this. This is collapsible, like so. This is something that Mark wanted like a couple of years ago at the old house. So I'm still going to use this, but I could put it on this side with a cloth underneath it because I want to keep the sink open because I want to know what it feels like to have sink of dishes, you know, even though we have a dishwasher. So anyway, guys, this pulls down. You push this and that for spray. I love the settings on here. It is absolutely sleek, chic. I love it, guys. It only took him 10 minutes to install this. So this piece here we have to take off, and we had to find the cap. I had to go buy a cap for it, unless he can find something else to stick in there, and then we'll also spray paint that black. So that's done. Trying to think. That's it in here, guys. So yeah, this stuff is getting done today when I get off this camera with you guys. So just want to show y'all the canvas. I did the canvas over, guys, and I left it like this. I think it looks absolutely beautiful coming down the hall. So I chose to put dark gray and black and just mix it up, and it looks absolutely wonderful. So let me show y'all the chairs because they are here. Guys, look, they're so sleek. They're so sleek. So tomorrow's supposed to be a nice day. I can't wait to get these chairs outside. It's supposed to be like 70 tomorrow. That's going to be beautiful. So we'll work on that tomorrow. But I just wanted to show you guys the chair situation. And then tomorrow I'll show y'all like where it had like a little defect. But it's cool long as I got them home, and I'm loving it. So guys, I was telling y'all yesterday, I do not want a whole lot of decor in this house no more. I don't think I have a lot now, but I'm going to switch some things out. So right here, I started in the bedroom. I took whatever was up here. So we only have these things. We have the humidifier that's blowing out this beautiful, beautiful fragrance that I mixed up, my candle, and we have our Chinese evergreen here. That's all I want here. So this here, I don't want this. I'm going to just give it to somebody else, but I'm about to swap it out now, and I'm going to show you guys what I'm going to swap it out with. So yeah, this is swapped out. I don't want this. I'm giving this to baby girl because she like Buddha. I like Buddhas too, but I would rather have a big one. So I'm going to give her that, and let's go into the office, and I'm going to show you guys. Since I have this here, we're moving this over here, and this is going in the bedroom. So hold on. Now y'all see how that looks? We don't have to have, I don't need all that stuff going on over here. So this is just, let's just move that back over here. And then we're going to take this beautiful with the stand-up pampas grass and put it on the nightstand. Guys, now that's what I'm talking about. That's the look I'm going for. That looks so elegant in here. So chic. Oh my gosh, I really like that. So I stepped outside for a minute, guys, to show you. These sticks here I got from the park. I'm going to spray paint these white, and I'm going to show you guys what I'm going to be putting them in. So yeah, guys, the white sticks. This is where I put that book holder, but I'm not sure if it's gonna stay there. I'm gonna put those white sticks, once they're painted, I'm gonna put them in here, and I'm probably gonna put them next to this, and I'm gonna move that. So I got a lot of things going on here, y'all, but I'm minimizing some things, okay? So bear with me, okay? Bear with me. This situation here will be getting moved. I think I don't want nothing else on this table. I think I like the table just like it is, plain. So we're gonna have to do something with this, guys. I'm not sure, but yeah, I will throw in clips of everything once it gets done in this video, or I will throw it in tomorrow. Guys, thanks for hanging out with me. Let me know in the comments, do y'all like the changes I'm doing? How do you like everything? I'll see you in the next one. Please remember, love yourself so that you love others, so this world will be a much better place, guys. See you tomorrow.